Day 3 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar for 2023 brings us Mando's modified N-1 Starfighter. You may recognise this class of ship as the one flown by the Naboo Royal Space Fighter Corps, the type flown by a certain young Anakin Skywalker when he destroyed the droid command ship in Episode 1. Following the destruction of his previous ship, the Razor Crest, or is it a Razor Quest? Still an unanswered question there. The Mandalorian bounty hunter Din Djarin acquired this modified M1 Starfighter. Djarin and the engineer Peli Motto constructed the ship at Hangar 3-5 in Mos Eisley, Tatooine. Several modifications were added to achieve greater speed. A Kineso switch was fitted that enabled access to the induction intake charger, allowing the ship to travel at blinding speeds. The ship's vapor manifold was replaced by a turbonic Venturi power assimilator from a Galactic Republic era starfighter. The thrust capacitor was fitted with an induction intake charger that Motto fabricated for the ship, and a cryogenic density combustion booster from a Pike repulsor train was added to the rear thruster. Both laser cannons were replaced with larger models, but the craft retained the underslung torpedo launcher beneath its nose. Additionally, the front cones of both engines were removed, but at least one of the front of each wing cone was retained. Only the skeleton remained, and the panels beneath the cockpit and the ship's tail were removed during the modification process. Because of Djarin's aversion to droids, the astromech socket was removed. All of the yellow paint was removed as well, except for a few stripes on each wing mimicking the Razor Crest.